Okay, so here's what it looks like from the front. You're gonna rock forward with the right, and then rock back on the right. So notice that the left foot stays in place when you're doing a right Tcherkessia. Now we rarely ever do a left Tcherkessia, but this is what it looks like on the left. Left rock forward, then left rock back. Right foot stays in place, just like the last time. Now here's what it looks like from the back. Step forward on the right, rock back on the right. Left foot stays in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look at it with the full body shot going. Step forward on the right, step back on the right. Now on the left side, and as you can see, the hands just go up when you're stepping forward and then back when you step back. And here's what it looks like from the back again. Like I said in the last video, we don't always do the hands exactly the same way depending on the dance. Sometimes we change it, but for the most part, this is how we do the hands with the Tcherkessia step. Up next, there's a modification that we do every once in a while. It is called the hopping Tcherkessia. Hop forward on the right, hop forward on the left, then bring your right back and your left back, each time having a hop in between. You do the same thing on the left. Hop forward on the left, hop forward on the right, then hop back on the left and hop back on the right. So let's take a look at that from the back. Hop forward on the right, hop forward on the left, hop back on the right, hop back on the left. You do the same thing on the left side. Hop forward on the left, hop forward on the right, then come back down on the left, hop back on the right. And you're done. Alright, good job you guys. That was awesome. So once again, like I say every single time, practice, practice, practice. Commit this to memory. So that way, if you're dancing with us and you're dancing a new dance that you've never seen before, all we have to do is call out the steps and you're already gonna know how to do it. But you have to practice. Cannot say this enough. Practice, practice. You know, when I was dancing professionally, there were times when we would practice one dance over 100 times in one day. We would spend 8 hours minimum practicing the same thing over and over again, refining it and refining it and refining it. I'm not asking you to practice 8 hours a day. I'm not asking you to practice this one step 100 or 200 or 300 times, but do it so that you memorize it, so that you don't have to watch me or anybody else do it. You just remember how it's done, and all you need to do is adjust it to the tempo that you are using. Okay, so you guys go do that. I'll see you back here next week. Bye everybody, shalom.